So normally on these questions where we've got something as a factor of something else, if let's say x take away 7 was a factor of something, then if we tried of a function, then if we tried f of 7, it would come out as 0. So I'm going to try this expression. I'm going to set to f of x, and I'm going to try f of a here. So every time there's an x in here, I'm going to substitute it with an a. So that's going to be a cubed plus 2a, that's a there, and my own a that I'm substituting in instead of x. Take away a squared, a, take away 16. Now, if that is a factor, then that should come to 0. So let's have a look. A cubed plus, this is a times a times a, 2a cubed. Take away a cubed, take away 16 equals 0. So this is a cubed plus 2a cubed minus a cubed, so that's 2a cubed, take away 16 equals 0. 2a cubed is 16, a cubed is 8, and a then is 2. So solve this equation. So we're going to factorise it first in order to solve it. So we know that x take away 2 is a factor. It says x take away a up here. So we can do algebraic long division, or we can do do it by inspection. So we know that it is going to be x times a quadratic to get x cubed up here. So x times something with x squared in it to get the rest of this. So we know it's going to be x squared plus so many x plus something. So a linear times a quadratic is a cubic. Now I haven't put ax squared in there because I know it's 1 x cubed, so I know x times x squared will give us the x cubed. If I multiply that out, I get this times this is x cubed, this times this is bx squared, this times this is cx, this times this minus 2x squared, this times this minus 2bx, and this times this minus 2c. So get all your x squared terms together. Get all your x terms together. And then factorise. So your factors of x squared are b minus 2. Your factors of x are c take away 2b. Now, the number in front of x squared is 4 up here, so I know that b take away 2 is 4. That means b is 6. C take away 2b is my number in front of x, that's negative 4 up here. So c take away, now b is 6, so 2b is 12. So add 12 to both sides, I get c is 8. So my my quadratic up here I can start to fill in now. It is going to be x squared plus 6x plus 8, and if I factorise that, I'm going to get x plus 2, x plus 4. So my three solutions to that equaling 0 are x is 2, or negative 2, or negative 4.